Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to make your own coconut oil at home, at the comfort of your home. And in here I have 5 medium-sized coconut or small-sized coconut. Guys, coconut is very expensive right now. It is very expensive. So in here I have 5 small-sized coconuts, and we just hope we have enough oil from it. Coconut oil is very good for a lot of things, which I'll be explaining to you as I make the video. So join me as we break this coconut and start the process, okay?
Next day.
DJ eyes, lower the volume. So guys, I'll be using this empty container to put my oil, and I will also be sieving it again to avoid any unwanted particles in my oil. So I'll be using that chiffon material, that chiffon sieve, to sieve it out with my funnel. And yeah, as I do that, coconut oil is very good, especially in this period that everywhere is dried. Like, coconut oil is a very good beauty product. It is very nice for the hair. It is also very nice for the skin. You can use it to cook. It is very good for the heart. It lowers cholesterol. It is very good for the heart. It lowers BP. The benefit is numerous. So this is my coconut oil, and yeah, it is ready to be used. You can use it in your skincare production. You can use it in anything that you want to use it for, in any dish that you want to use it for. It is very nice. It's a healthy oil for the heart. I still have some remaining in the plate, so guys, you can go ahead to use it. It is so nice, and I love the smell. Just as I said, it's a very good healthy oil for the heart. For cooking, you can use it to make your rice, your veggies, your salad, and all. You can even take it like that for many other health benefits.